Hey guys, this is Pokemon 2014 today, and today I'm going to show you guys the LG version. I'm going to show you guys how to get free apps. What you do is go to the browser. You're going to search the first link and click install. Okay, look down to your settings. And you're going to go to security, and you're going to check so it should be like that, and you just check it, and it shows you that could make a virus, but I'm showing you how to do a virus. So once you get that, you can install that. Now once you have installed, you can start and just click. Now let's start with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and pay the app in the Play Store. Oh, not Facebook. It's to pay that. Top page. Let's see. We will do one free. Okay. As you can see, it's 99 cents right here. So it's 99 cents. Okay. So we're going to actually have some on there. So we search one free. And you should have the interesting right here, so you have to start other stores. It may not pop up because this is new game, so yeah, it's not going to pop up because it's a new game. So I get a game that pays. I don't want that pays the number one app. I have $7. You guys really want to pay that for free? Please just go to App Store or app. Search for Minecraft. For Minecraft. And you search it. Okay, and you search other stores. Okay. Minecraft Pocket Edition. Install. And right here, you install Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay. Click cancel. And then you go to install. Open. And there you go. Minecraft edition for free. Okay, yes. There you go. New. And create your world. I'm going to call this one blue and gray. Yes. Okay, click on it. We're just going to do it like this. Okay, create world. And you have Minecraft Pocket Edition free. There you go, guys. So that's how you get paid. And this is Blue Grade 2014 here today, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day, especially for you people who live in the other northern states. We have our summer right now in life. So I hope you have a great time today. And remember, this is Blue Grade 2014. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, guys.